Hey guys, we're out here in Allen taking care of one of our customers today. As you can tell, there used to be a dishwasher here inside this nice beautiful kitchen that we're currently doing the demolition on. The dishwasher actually failed itself on one of the external pumps. So whenever your pump discharges from the dishwasher and shoots it out your drain line and your garbage disposal and drains everything out, it actually failed on this dishwasher, which actually caused water to go down underneath into the wall, which then penetrated back into the engineered glue down wood floor, and also went underneath this tile, which affected the cabinetry. Clients here had a nice pretty island in the middle of their kitchen, which, as you can tell, the rest of these cabinets on the lowers have been pulled out of here just so we could do our tile demolition today. These customers just had a newborn baby, so we kind of had to put everything on kind of limbo in between those phases. We got everything covered by the insurance company, got everything squared away with that. So then once we were ready to go, we just actually got them fully taken out of the house this last weekend. So then now today we got everything started on the demolition. We got our electrical taken down, ready to go. So we'll pretty much be getting these clients all new floors down here, fresh paint jobs. As you can tell, our customers were very thorough on different color paints. I think they ordered about 24 to 30 different paint samples to make sure they got exactly what they were wanting on their kitchen renovation. Other than that, the kitchen will all be new. We got cabinets on order, countertops ready to go. They've already picked out their countertops. So it was actually a nice little delay there where they could actually pick out all their items in here. They're going to be paying out of pocket for a couple little upgrades here and there. We're going to be taking down this popcorn, get rid of this old 1990s look, get rid of this popcorn, do some fresh can lighting, things like that.